Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I am sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn the page to page number 95 as I'll be continuing with the exercise of Unit 21 adverbs. Students, please take out your English grammar book, turn the page to page 95 as I'll be continuing with the exercise of Unit 21 adverbs. Students, in my last video, I had started with Unit 21 adverbs. I had explained what adverbs are and then the 5 kinds of adverbs. And then I had also explained and completed exercise 1 and 2. Now, before I start with exercise 3, let's revise adverbs. Now, students, adverb is a word which adds meaning to a verb, an adjective or an adverb. We have seen the examples that adverbs, they add meaning not only to the verb but also to the adjective and to another adverb. And there are 5 kinds of adverbs which we need to know. The first is adverb of manner, which gives us the answer of how. They are also known as how adverbs. How the action is done, the adverb of manners, they tell us. Then the second is adverb of time. When the action is done, when we get this answer, they are adverb of time. The third adverb is adverb of place, and we get the answer where the action is done. So adverb of place gives us the answer that where the action is done. Then the fourth kind of adverb is adverb of frequency. They are also known as how often adverbs. It tells us the frequency of an action which is done. Then the fifth kind of adverb is adverb of degree, and they are known as the how much or to which extent adverbs. So now let's start with exercise 3. And in this, what we need to do, students, we need to fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. Now, there are 2 options given and we need to choose the correct one to fill in the blanks. Now, the first one is who is standing dash. And the options given are downstairs or early. Now, downstairs, students, is the adverb of place, whereas early is the adverb of time. Downstairs, adverb of place hai, whereas early adverb of time hai. Now, if we look at the sentence, who is standing? Where, that shows that we need to fill in the blank with adverb of place. तो इसमें जो adverb of place है वो कौन सा है? Downstairs. So write downstairs in the first blank. Who is standing downstairs? Downstairs is adverb of place. Now the second one. He works dash, and the options are sincere or sincerely. Sincere is an adjective, so we need to fill with adverb. So the adverb is sincerely. He works sincerely, and sincerely tells us the manner that how he works sincerely. So sincerely is the adverb of manner. Then the third one, this bus runs dash, and the options given are fast or fastly. So here we need to write fast. Fast is again giving us the answer of how the bus runs. So fast. So fast is again adverb of manner. The bus runs fast. Then the fourth one. I am dash happy today. Now you can see happy is the adjective और यहाँ पे happy को डिस्क्राइब करेगा ये एडवर्ब है ना. हैप्पी एडजेक्टिव है. सो एज ही सेड, एडवर्ब्स आर मीनिंग नॉट ओनली टू द वर्ब बट आल्सो टू द एडजेक्टिव एंड अनदर एडवर्ब. सो द ऑप्शंस गिवन आर वेरी एंड देयर. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टुडे. So very again is the adverb which is adding meaning to the adjective happy. So write very in the fourth line. Then the fifth one. We are waiting dash for you. We are waiting dash for you. And the options given are anxious or anxiously. So we will be writing the adverb of manner anxiously. Right? Anxiously in the fifth blank. We are waiting anxiously for you. Then the sixth one. He is sitting dash, and the options are well and there. He is sitting. Now we need to describe a place. So the option is well or there. Well is adverb of manner, we cannot use, and there is place. So we will write the adverb there in the sixth line. So he is sitting there. There is the adverb of place. Then the seventh sentence. The man got dash injured. The man got dash injured in an accident. And the options given are bad or badly. Bad तो adjective है बेटा. So adverb क्या है? Badly. So the sentence will be the man got badly injured in an accident. Then the eighth one. I am busy these days. I am busy these days. I dash get time to meet my relatives. And the options are hard or hardly. Again, hard is an adjective, so the adverb will be hardly. So our sentence will be, I am busy these days. I hardly get time to meet my relatives. Then the ninth one. He worked dash and succeeded. Now the sentence is changed, children, and the options given are hard and hardly. Now how did he work? So we need to write the adverb of manner. So he worked hard and succeeded. Fine. So please write hard in the 9th blank. So once again I am revising these sentences, children, then I will be erasing the board. The first one, who is standing downstairs? Downstairs is adverb of place. Second, he works sincerely. Sincerely, adverb of manner. Third, this bus runs fast. Again, fast is adverb of manner. Then the fourth one, I am very happy today. Very, again, adverb of degree. Then fifth one, we are waiting anxiously for you. Anxiously, again, adverb of manner. Sixth one, he is sitting there. There, again, which kind of adverb? Adverb of place. Seventh, the man got badly injured in an accident. Badly, adverb of manner. Eighth, I am busy these days. I hardly get time to meet my relatives. Hardly, adverb of frequency. Then the 9th one, he worked hard and succeeded. Hard is adverb of manner. I hope everybody has done. Now I am going to erase these 9 from the blanks and write the 10th one. Fine? Now, the 10th fill in the blank is, you can dash sit quietly. You can dash sit quietly. And the options given are always, never. You can always sit quietly or you can never sit quietly. So here we will write never. You can never sit quietly. Never, adverb of frequency. Fine? So write never in the 10th blank. Then the 11th one. He dash visits his grandparents. And the options given here are often and here. Often, adverb of frequency, and here is adverb of place. So, he dash visits his grandparents. And the correct adverb is he often visits his grandparents. Often is adverb of frequency. Then the 12th one. They will work dash at the office. They will work dash at the office. And the options given are late and lately. So, how will they work? When will they work? So, late is adverb of time. So, they will work late at the office. Late कौन सा adverb हुआ? Adverb of time. Then, it is telling us the time. Then the 31. The baby cried. The baby cried dash. And the options are sweet or bitterly. So, how does one cry? Nobody cries in a sweet way. Cries. So, the correct one will be bitterly. And bitterly is again adverb of manner. So, the baby cried bitterly. Then the 15th one. Dash, we went to the museum. Dash, we went to the museum. And the options given are yesterday or tomorrow. Now students, this is very important, है ना, क्योंकि आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाती हैं. Yesterday हम कब यूज करते हैं? फॉर द डे विच इज ऑलरेडी पास्ट टेंस के लिए. एंड टुमारो हम यूज करते हैं आने वाले कल के लिए, फ्यूचर के लिए. और यहाँ पे वेंट है विच इंडिकेट्स द डे विच इज ऑलरेडी पास्ट. तो जो बीत गया दिन है उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? येस्टरडे. सो वी विल राइट येस्टरडे एंड yesterday's y will be capital because we are beginning the sentence. So yesterday we went to the museum. Then the 51. The hall was dash full, and the options are total or totally. So completely, this is again adverb of degree. Totally, the hall was totally filled. So how much का आंसर किससे मिल रहा है? Totally. So totally is which kind of adverb? Adverb of degree. Then the 61. He faced a dash difficult. He faced a dash difficult situation, and the options given are well or very. So again, very is adverb of degree. He faced very difficult situation. So with this we have finished exercise 3 of unit 21 adverbs. Now students, I am going to revise these sentences and then I am going to erase the board. The 10th one. You can never sit quietly. Write never in the 10th line. Never is adverb of frequency. Then the 11th one. He often visits his grandparents. Again, often adverb of frequency. 12. They will work late at the office. Late is adverb of time. Then the 13th one. The baby cried bitterly. Bitterly is again students adverb of manner. The 14th. Yesterday we went to the museum. Yesterday adverb of time. Right, and why should be capital? Because we are beginning the sentence with the word yesterday. Then the 15th one. The hall was totally full. So write totally. Totally is adverb of degree. It is giving the answer of how much. है ना? So 16th one. He faced a very difficult situation. Very, again, adverb of degree. So I hope all of you have written these 16 fill in the blanks of exercise 3 students. So now I am going to erase these fill in the blanks and then I am going to start with exercise 4. The last exercise 4. आपको बेटा पता होना चाहिए कि जिनसे हमें हाउ का आंसर मिले कि एक्शन कैसा हुआ है वो एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. जिनसे हमें when का आंसर मिले वो एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, है ना. एक्शन कब हुआ वो एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. देन where the action took place, जिससे हमें where का आंसर मिले वो एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. एंड फिर जिससे how often का आंसर मिले, कितनी बार एक्शन हुआ, वो एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. और जिससे हमें how much or to what extent the action has been done, वो एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. फाइन, ये आपको याद रखना है. Now exercise 4. And exercise 4 is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with adverbs as indicated. Now बेटा you can see कि ब्रैकेट में काइंड ऑफ एडवर्ब दिया है और हमें उस पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ एडवर्ब से ही फिल इन दी ब्लैंक्स फिल करना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज we should dash waste natural resources. और ये हमको ब्लैंक में कौन सा एडवर्ब भरना है? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. कौन सा एडवर्ब भरना है बेटा? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. हाउ ऑफन. अब हमें मीनिंग समझ के एडवर्ब फिल करना है. सो वी शुड डैश वेस्ट नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. क्या हमें अपने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को वेस्ट करना चाहिए? नो, वी शुड नेवर वेस्ट नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. हमें अपने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को कभी भी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. तो हमारा जो एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी यहाँ पे कौन सा आएगा? नेवर. राइट, NEVER. नेवर. वी शुड नेवर वेस्ट नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. सो राइट नेवर इन द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक. और नेवर बेटा कौन सा एडवर्ब है? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. फाइन. देन द सेकेंड वन, we get up. Now students, there is a misprint. Gets नहीं होगा. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट के हिसाब से जब आपका सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होगा तो आपके वर्ब में एस नहीं आएगा. तो प्लीज कट दी एस. गेट में गेट्स लिखा हुआ है वहां पे, मिसप्रिंट है, तो आप उस एस को कट कर दीजिए. फाइन. सो वी गेट अप डैश इन दी मॉर्निंग. और इसमें हमें बेटा कौन सा एडवर्ब भरना है? एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. नाउ as the saying goes, early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. So we get up dash in the morning, early in the morning. So write early, and early is adverb of time. So we get up early in the morning. Write early in the second blank. आप अगर लेट भी लिखते हो तो दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट इनकरेक्ट, बिकॉज टाइम पूछा है तो अर्ली लेट. हाँ, वी गेट अप लेट इन द मॉर्निंग. अगर आप लेट उठते हो तो आप लेट भी लिख सकते हो, एंड लेट इज ऑल्सो एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. देन the third one, the flowers are dash pretty, and we need to fill with adverb of degree. So the flowers are adverb of degree. Adverb of degree में how much or to which extent, है ना? So the flowers are very pretty. हमने adverb of degree में कौन सा adverb बेटा भरा? Very. The flowers are very pretty. Then the fourth one, the library opens dash at 9 AM. और इसमें हमें क्या करना है? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. Now the library opens, adverb of frequency हमें how often, so let's write daily. The library opens daily at 9 a.m. or the library opens usually at 9 a.m. So usually, daily, कुछ भी आप adverb of frequency आप इसमें fill कर सकते हैं. Then the fifth one, they shouted. Now we need to describe the manner. So adverb of manner. And generally shout कैसे करते हैं? Everybody shouts loudly. So we will write loudly in the fifth line. They shouted loudly. और loudly कौन सा adverb है बेटा? Adverb of manner. Then the sixth one, I have misplaced my pens dash. We need to fill with adverb of place. कभी होता है ना, हम कहीं पे अपनी सामान रख जाते हैं और भी forget. So I have misplaced my pen somewhere. So write somewhere, somewhere, somewhere in the sixth line. I have misplaced my pen somewhere. Then the seventh one, she speaks English dash. We need to fill with adverb of manner. और लैंग्वेज में बेटा जिसको कमांड होता है उसके लिए जो वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं दैट इज फ्लुएंटली, धारा प्रवाह जिसको बोलते हैं. सो शी स्पीक्स इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली. सो FLUENTLY, fluently is the adverb of manner. Then the eighth one, the soldiers fought dash. Again adverb of manner. सोल्जर्स कैसे फाइट करते हैं? परमवीर चक्र में भी आपने पढ़ा है ना. दे आर ब्रेव. सो दी सोल्जर्स फॉट ब्रेवली. ब्रेव से कौन सा एडवर्ब बनेगा बेटा? ब्रेवली. सो राइट bravely in the eighth line. Then the ninth one, complete your work dash. You need to fill with adverb of time. So complete your work now. Complete your work soon, है ना. सो आप now, soon कुछ भी adverb of time इसमें फिर कर सकते हैं. Now is also correct, soon is also correct because दोनों ही adverb of time है. So complete your work now और complete your work soon, complete your work early, ये सारे क्या है बेटा? Adverb of time है. Now, soon, early, ये सारे adverbs है जो adverb of time है. You can write any one. Then the last fill in the blanks of this unit is I dash agree with you. और इसमें हमें कौन सा पढ़ना? adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. Now, I totally agree with you. I completely agree with you. क्योंकि हमें adverb of degree किसका आंसर देते हैं? How much. So I totally agree with you. I completely agree with you. आप कोई भी इसमें adverb of degree fill कर सकते हैं. So students, with this we have finished all the exercise of Unit 21 adverbs, and I'm sure all of you must have completed this. Students, please do learn and revise all the taught exercises as your final exams are approaching, and now you really need to watch the videos and complete your work. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Good day ahead.